Wow. Awesome.
Hold on. Look at this poor guy.
This is crazy.
What did you do? The first time you showing up, you have this one.
I know, right? It's like, yeah, that hot hat.